Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Juanda. ID number 25198004. On this occasion, I would like to present Geography Education Research Method. My presentation title Techniques for Formulating Research Them and Titles. I would like to express my gratitude to our lecturer, Professor Dr. Dedi Herman SPD MP and Dr. Bayu Wijayanto MPD for their guidance and the opportunity to deliver this presentation. The semester of July to December 2025. Master's Program in Geography Education, Faculty of Social Science, Universitas Negeri Padang. I hope this presentation can provide a clear understanding and be beneficial for all of us. Well, to begin the discussion, allow me to start with present geography education research method. My presentation title Techniques for Formulating Research Them and Titles. Next, understanding research them. John W. Craswell, 2018. The term often referred to as the research problem is the underlying issue or concern that drives the study. That is why the research needs to be conducted. The term is the gap in knowledge that the study seeks to address or the practical issues that needs to be resolved. Mark Saunders, 2019. The theme is a topic that arouses interest and contains novelty that can serve as a basis for proposing researchable question. Meanwhile, according to Sugiono 2019, the theme is the main problem that will be made the object of research, which usually still broad and requires delimitation focus so that it can be researched and studied in depth. Next, understanding research titles. American Psychological Association or APA 2020 7 edition. The title is a concise yet accurate description of the main content of the research. Donald Airy, 2014. The title is a clear and specific statement about the research objective, which includes the main variables, the subject, and if necessary, the research method utilized. Meanwhile, according to Frankel, Whelan, and Hune, 2012, the title functions as a mini outline of the research. It must provide sufficient information for the reader to decide the study's relevance to their interests. Next, techniques for formulating research theme. Contemporary methodology experts such as Creswell and Ford, 2018, emphasize that the time or research problem must be formulated based on three main considerations. Number one, the core issues. The theme must be rooted in a clear and significant problem in the literature or practice in the context of education. This means there is a gap between expectation, theory, and reality or practice. Second, conceptual leakage. The theme must show how key concepts are interconnected. For example, cause and effect relation, X to Y, correlation or comparison. Novelty, the theme must offer a new perspective or test a new variable, a new model, or a new subject. Next. Importance of choosing a good dam. Selecting a research dam is an essential step because it shapes the entire structure of the study. A good dam must not only reflect the researcher's interests but also address real issues that provide value to scientific development. The dam should offer enough space for exploration while remaining specific enough to be manageable and researchable. Next. Common mistakes in choosing a theme. Choosing a theme that is too broad, making it difficult to focus the study. Selecting a theme that is too narrow, resulting in limited data and reference. Following trending topics without understanding the theoretical foundation. Selecting a theme that does not match the research expertise or available resources. Next. Significance of dam narrowing. Narrowing a general dam into a specific subtopic allows the researcher to identify a clear research gap. This step ensures that the study remains focused, feasible, and academically valuable. A well-narrowed dam also makes it easier to construct the research problem, objectives, and methodology. Principle of formulating a title. Frankel and Wallen, 2009, em- emphasized that an effective title must be comprehensive and concise. The title must convey the core of the study, including main topic, what is being investigated, key variables, the factors that are being measured or manipulated, and then participant or subject who is involved in the research. Sugiono 2019 adds there that the title must reflect first, timelines up to date, the subject matter should be current. Second, relevance, the research should be beneficial for the development of science. Third, contribution, the study should provide solution or new understanding. Next, research title formulation techniques. According to the American Psychological Association or APA 2020 in its scientific writing guidelines, a good research title should first concise, ideally no more than 12 words, although this is flexible for more complex studies. The key is to avoid unnecessary wording. Second, informative. Accurately describe the content of the research. Third, contains variables and subject. Clearly includes the independent variable X, the dependent variable Y, and the population subject S. Important tips. Avoid titles that are too long or contain ambiguous terms. Ensure that the title is in line with the research question and objectives. Use appropriate verbs such as influence, relationship, analysis, and evaluation. Example research them formulation. Objective to create a comprehensive framework based on the central issues, low geography learning outcomes, and the conceptual lineage. Main focus variable Y. Past issue or problem. The learning outcomes, especially geography of grade X studies need to be improved. Goal, improvement of learning outcomes. Y. 2. Core strategy variable X. Intervention or method. Utilizing modern digital technology as a learning aid. Strategy, using digital maps. X. Mechanism of improvement variable M. Mediation process, the cognitive process that breaks the use of the tool X and the improvement of the outcome Y. Mechanism development of geographic spatial thinking ability M. Context and boundaries variable S and L. Subject grade X students S. Location or time semantic research to Medan academic year 2025 or 2026. Uh, Next, research them formulation. By combining the focus strategy and mechanism, the research them is exploring digital technology-based learning strategies to improve geography learning outcomes through the enhancement of spatial thinking ability in high school students. Next, example research title formulation objective to consciously, clearly, and informatively combine all core components to form the final title. Table 1 research title formulation technique. Research component number 1 define variable Y definition and role, the outcome desired to be improved measure, target title component learning outcomes. 2. Intervening or mediator variable M, the concept that acts as a bridge process in the improvement, geographical spatial thinking. 3. Independent variable X strategy, the method, tool, or action used, using digital maps. 4. Research subject as the participant being studied, grade X student. research location or time, the spatial and temporal boundaries of the study. SMA Negeri 1 Medan academic year 2025 and 2026. Next. Because the relationship, the strategy X will influence learning outcomes, Y with spatial thinking M acting as the crucial process within it. Initial title draft, the influence of using digital maps on the improvement of learning outcomes through spatial thinking in grade X student of SMA and Satu Medan. Final research title, Strategy for Improving Learning Outcomes through Geographic Spatial Thinking using Digital Maps in Grade Ex-student at SMA Negeri 1 Medan academic year 2025 and 2026. Conclusion. Number one, formulating an effective research theme and title requires a systematic process that begins with identifying a broad area of interest and gradually narrowing it into a specific, researchable focus. Second, conceptual integration. The research them function as a conceptual umbrella that successfully connects the central issues, improving geography learning outcomes, with the strategic solution, digital maps, X drove the cognitive process spatial thinking M. This demonstrates a strong understanding of the underlying theoretical model. Third, clarity of causal relationship. The final title, Strategy for Improving Learning Outcomes, through geographic spatial thinking using digital maps in grade X student of SMA Negeri 1 Medan academic year 2025 and 2026, explicitly demonstrate at mediation process relationship. This relationship not only states that X influence Y, but also high through M, which is crucial for quantitative research or strategy development. Ladies and gentlemen, that conclude my presentation. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has been informative and valuable for you. Good morning and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.